If you're upgrading your outdoor space this year, stay with me, because today's lineup brings the best patio sofas of 2025 together in one place. Whether you want convertible comfort, low-maintenance durability, or premium all-weather materials, this list has something for every style and budget. I'll walk you through 8 top-rated picks, from solid mahogany and teak builds to sleek aluminum frames and high-performance cushions. By the end, you'll know exactly which sofa fits your space, your lifestyle, and your outdoor vibe. Let's get started with number 8 and work our way to the top choice of the year. Number 8. The August Grove Bismark 79-inch outdoor convertible sofa daybed is a solid choice if you want comfort, versatility, and a natural look on your patio or porch. It is built from Indonesian mahogany that supports up to 500 pounds, and the weather-resistant finish helps it handle sun and rain. The rustic gray frame pairs well with the soft 4-inch cushions, which come in several colors, including blue spruce. The covers are zippered, so cleaning is simple. Its best feature is the adjustable armrests that let you switch between a love seat, lounge chair, and daybed. This makes it useful for reading, sunbathing, or giving guests an extra spot to relax. Assembly is quick, and owners say it feels sturdy and comfortable right away. There are a few drawbacks. The cushion color may look slightly different in person, and there can be a small odor when first unboxed. The wood may also need light upkeep over time. This daybed is ideal for small patios, porches, and anyone who wants multi-purpose outdoor seating with a warm, natural feel. Compared with competitors, it stands out for its hardwood frame, thick cushions, and smooth convertible design. Number 7. The Modway Tahoe Outdoor Patio Aluminum Sofa is a strong fit for anyone who wants modern style, reliable durability, and low upkeep in an outdoor seating piece. Its powder-coated aluminum frame keeps the weight low while still offering good stability. And the clean, modern lines make it easy to pair with contemporary patios, pool decks, and outdoor lounge areas. The cushions are covered in a sunproof, water-resistant fabric that holds up well to rain and daily use. The covers are removable and stain-resistant, which keeps maintenance simple. Comfort is a key strength. The dense foam padding gives solid support, whether you are sitting upright or stretching out. Users mention that the cushions dry quickly and stay firm, and that the sofa accommodates 2 people comfortably or even 3 when needed. Taller users can stretch out without feeling cramped. There are a few drawbacks. The cushion fabric may feel a little scratchy, and the lightweight frame might feel less substantial than expected if you prefer heavier furniture. This sofa suits people who want a modern, weather-ready outdoor piece that requires very little upkeep. Compared with competitors, it stands out for its light but durable aluminum build, quick-dry cushions, and modern design that fits well in poolside settings. Number 6. The Lark Manor Regina 80.5-inch metal patio sofa blends a relaxed wicker look with the strength of a steel frame. The powder-coated metal structure gives it durability, while the resin wicker adds a breezy style that suits porches, patios, and covered decks. The materials are rust-resistant, water-resistant, and quick-drying, so the sofa handles rain and humidity without much upkeep. The cushions use moisture-resistant cores and come in solution-dyed polyester or Sunbrella fabric, depending on the color you choose. Both options hold their color well and resist fading. Users report that the cushions dry fast, stay comfortable through the season, and maintain their shape. The seating is supportive without feeling overly firm, and the wide silhouette offers plenty of room to relax. There are a few drawbacks. Resin wicker can loosen over time if exposed to harsh weather year-round, and the steel frame is sturdy but heavier than aluminum alternatives. The style leans neutral, so it may not stand out if you prefer a bolder design. This sofa suits homeowners who want a classic wicker look with reliable weather resistance. Compared with competitors, it stands out for its quick-dry cushions, sturdy steel frame, and choice of long-lasting fabric options. Number 5. The Modway Stopover Outdoor Patio Sunbrella Sofa is built for buyers who want a flexible, modern seating piece with high-end materials. It uses a powder-coated frame and a synthetic rattan weave that holds up well to sun and moisture. The rattan has a gray tone with a subtle blue accent, giving it a fresh, contemporary look. The Sunbrella cushions are the main highlight. They resist fading, repel water, and stay vibrant even in strong sunlight. They are comfortable, supportive, and available in colors that range from bold red to classic neutrals. The sofa is part of a modular series, so you can rearrange or expand your layout over time. This makes it useful for patios, decks, and poolside areas where seating needs may change. Users say the frame feels solid, and the cushions look even better in person. There are a few drawbacks. Sunbrella quality comes with a higher price, unless you catch a sale. The synthetic rattan is durable, but may not appeal to those who prefer the feel of natural wicker. This sofa is ideal for homeowners who want strong weather resistance and a modular design. Compared with competitors, it stands out for its Sunbrella fabric, solid build, and modern rattan finish. Number 4. The POLYWOOD Lakeside Vineyard 74-inch Outdoor Patio Sofa is a strong choice if you want long-term durability with very little upkeep. It seats up to 3 and uses quick-drying Revolution cushions that resist sun, salt, mold, and mildew. The seat cushions are supportive, while the buttoned back pillows add a softer, relaxed feel. The fabric holds its color well outdoors and stays comfortable through changing weather. The frame is made from genuine POLYWOOD lumber, a high-density polyethylene material that mimics the look of painted wood without the maintenance. It does not crack, peel, chip, or rot, and it handles heat, snow, and strong winds without warping. The UV-protected color runs through the material, so it never needs repainting. Marine-grade hardware adds another layer of durability. The main drawbacks are slow shipping reported by some buyers and the higher price compared with metal or resin wicker options. POLYWOOD is heavy, which is great for stability but makes moving the sofa harder. This sofa suits homeowners who want a premium all-weather option for a porch, deck, or coastal space. Compared with competitors, it stands out for its low-maintenance POLYWOOD frame, long-lasting cushions, and ability to handle harsh climates without fading or wear. Number 3. The Joss & Main Everlee 80-inch metal outdoor sofa brings a clean, modern look to patios and decks with its powder-coated aluminum frame and open side cutouts. The frame is sturdy but light enough to move easily, which makes it practical for rearranging your outdoor layout. The design feels airy and contemporary, and the crisp Sunbrella cushions add a sharp contrast that elevates the overall look. Comfort is solid for an aluminum frame sofa. The seat cushions are firm and supportive, while the back pillows are softer and more relaxed. Sunbrella fabric keeps the cushions resistant to fading, moisture, and UV exposure. Users report that the white fabric picks up dirt but wipes clean without much effort. The main drawbacks are the firmer seating and the fact that light fabrics require regular cleaning. The airy design also means less of the cozy, wrapped-in feeling that wicker or deep seat styles offer. This sofa is best for homeowners who want a modern, structured outdoor piece that holds up well in sun and rain. Compared with competitors, it stands out for its clean architectural design, lightweight aluminum build, and high-performance Sunbrella cushions that keep their shape and color over time. Number 2. The Birch Lane Brunswick 75.5-inch Teak Patio Sofa blends classic style with the long-lasting benefits of solid teak. The frame has a warm, rich finish that ages gracefully and stands up well to sun, moisture, and temperature changes. Teak is naturally resistant to rot and insects, so this sofa stays strong outdoors with minimal upkeep. The wide design gives plenty of room for lounging, and the layout can even work as a daybed for afternoon naps or relaxed weekend reading. The all-weather cushions add good comfort and hold up well to outdoor conditions. They provide a soft feel without sinking too deeply, and the clean lines of the frame keep the overall look polished and timeless. Early user feedback highlights its attractive appearance and comfortable seating. The main drawbacks are the higher price that comes with real teak and the weight of the frame, which can make moving it more difficult. Teak also needs occasional cleaning or oiling if you want to maintain its original color. This sofa is ideal for homeowners who want a premium outdoor piece with a classic look and long-term durability. Compared with competitors, it stands out for its solid teak construction, generous size, and ability to double as a comfortable daybed. Number 1. The Lark Manor Arikka 81-inch Outdoor Eucalyptus Sofa offers a blend of comfort, durability, and style that works well in many outdoor spaces. The frame uses solid eucalyptus wood, finished with a 5-step protective coating that helps it resist moisture and sun exposure. The tapered legs and slat-back design give it a clean, classic look, while stainless steel hardware adds strength and stability. The cushions are a standout feature. They are firm, supportive, and covered in Nuvella fabric, which resists fading, stains, and general outdoor wear. The zippered covers make cleaning simple, and even tough spots can be handled with a bleach solution. Throw pillows are included, giving the sofa a finished, inviting look right out of the box. Assembly is straightforward, and users note that one person can put it together without trouble. The frame feels substantial and well built. There are a few drawbacks. Eucalyptus is durable, but requires occasional upkeep to maintain its rich color. And the firmer cushions may not appeal to those who prefer a softer feel. This sofa suits buyers who want a sturdy, stylish wood frame option with low-maintenance cushions. Compared with competitors, it stands out for its protective finish, Nuvella fabric, and overall value for a full wood seating set.